This is what to expect on your journal test on Monday. It will cover pages 1 through 12. I guess it's technically 2 through 12. So I'm going to kind of give you some example questions of what you could expect. Important note is that the videos will not be available to you on that day. So be sure you have your journal ready to go. All of the videos are still up right now, but on Monday they will be down. So please be sure that you have your journal completely up and ready to go. All right, so example question may be, I may say on page 7, and I know yours is handwritten because I'm using one of my class journals right now. I might put, we wrote scientific notation must include blank. And I would say it's in the very small box at the top. And it's sideways. And so you would fill in multiplication there. I might say on page 7, we did a create a number in scientific notation. What number did we create? And you would write 7.08 times 10 to the 5th power. All right, it needs to be all the way through page 12. It needs to be done. Again, those journal pages will not be online or available to you on that day. They will be coming down before the test. So be sure you're up to date. It's supposed to be a free 100 major grade, but only if you've been keeping up with it. We spend a lot of time in this journal, so we do take a test over it. Now, one last thing about this journal test is, about this video, is if you send me a chat that says, I know I have a journal test on Monday, I will give you plus 5 points on this major grade, meaning your journal test can be worth up to 105 if you send that to me. But you have to send it to me in a chat before Monday. All right? So go ahead and make sure you're getting your journal together. If you have any questions on what to expect, please let me know. A good free 100 major grade would definitely boost everyone's average. So please let me know if there's any issues. All right, have a good day.